Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for August and it is Toyl. This is Time of Your Life. If you're new to this subscription and you want to learn a little bit more about it, then I will just give you a quick lowdown. But as always, you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have given me a code. It's an affiliate code, so if you use my code, I get a little commission. It is geek and that will entitle you to 5% off your first box. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it's a UK only subscription. This subscription is specifically for women, say 35 years and older, and all the skincare and all the makeup that you'll receive inside is all catered for this age range. The founder, Karen, is an award-winning blogger, plus she's an award-winning Amazon best-selling author of Time of Your Life, and she has an active social media presence. She goes through the boxes every month on her Facebook and Instagram page. As well as her talking about these boxes and the contents, she sometimes has interviews with her brands as well. You can cancel any month, plus you can pause, which is really handy because on the 18th of every month she releases a sneak peek for the following month. So on the 18th of August she will show you a sneak peek of all the products going to be featured in the September box on her Facebook page and her Instagram page. And if, for instance, you see the products and you think, oh, do you know what, they're not for me this month, or I've already got them, then you can get in touch with us straight away to pause the subscription. You'll find all links related to the subscription plus my code down below, so you're welcome to take a look there. So we get a leaflet, and in here details everything about the products, so I'm able to refer to that as we go along, plus a theme for the month as well, and sneak peek for September. This is one of my favourite boxes, Beauty Night Workers. These are products specifically made to address our beauty challenges while we sleep. Hardworking, intense and just lovely. But who's in the box? You just have to find out on the 18th. It's wrinkle killer time and has a value of £125.52. Whenever I survey toy listers, your number one skincare concern is fine lines, wrinkles. So that's what I bring you now. A brilliant solution in a box to soften and actually reverse the depth of wrinkles. This box focuses on the skincare ingredient that is absolute gold standard in reversing skin damage. It is scientifically proven to do so through many independent studies, and of course we've turned to the master of retinol himself, Dr. Murad. The hero product in this box is worth a staggering £73 on its own. To couple that with Chantal, I can't say it, I'll show you what it is, and Ren Clean Skincare, we have a box that is going to make you look and feel amazing this month. Enjoy. I can't see it, but one of my neighbours or someone sounds as if they're revving up a lawnmower or something. Lots of worms to protect the products here. You're not going to see much. So starting off with the Murad product, we've got here a Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum, and there's 15 mils. I absolutely love this brand. Really like it. And I tried the Retinol Youth Serum, but not the eye serum. I don't think so anyway. Apologies if you can hear some rumbling in the background. One of our neighbours has just started doing something outside. But hopefully you won't be able to hear it. Hopefully only I can hear it and you won't. But yeah, it's just typical, just bad timing. This is worth £73. 93% of women who use this product in a Murad trial saw a reduction in lines and wrinkles with this product in just 4 weeks. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive, this is an absolute winner on the wrinkle front and is completely about results. Use AM to PM, gently pat around the eye area, including the eyelid. And Karen's top tip, this is about results. It's an expensive product from a master of skincare, so why don't you take a before photo, try it for 4 weeks, and take another photo. That way you'll really know if it works. Yeah, I might do that actually. I might actually do that if I can remember. I might do it in the morning so I got better lighting, but yeah, excited to see what that is like on my eyes. So that's the first item. Then we've got Ren Clean Skincare. This is their Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and there's 100 mils here. I've got this on the go at the moment. I've been using it on and off for the last year or two as well. I've received little bottles in different subscription boxes, and it's a really nice tonic. It doesn't aggravate my skin, it's quite gentle. And yeah, this retails for £16. There is no point in layering an expensive luxury eye serum onto skin that is dull. We need exfoliated surfaces with fresh skin cells ready to receive product and absorb it well, so that's why you have this gentle, brilliant exfoliator in your box. Careful around the eye, use on surrounds, but not the eyelid. 92% of users said their skin looked brighter. Karen's top tip, use with the Magnetone Eco Cleansing Cloth we had in the September 2021 box. These cleansing cloths just keep going. Yeah, they do. So there's that. Okay, here's the product I can't pronounce. Chanticleer. Awful at reading words I've never seen before. Basically, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's French. I'm really sorry, but hopefully you were able to read that okay. So it's a BioLift cream. Let's read about it first then. I'm not sure if this is the full size, but this size is worth £30.40. Rich in name, ingredients and price, this is an incredible moisturiser cream to soothe, hydrate and plump skin, and I can only apologise if you fall in love with it. The full size of this product retails at over £300, okay, but you'll see why. The velvety smooth cream is infused with 5 extraordinary plant stem cells, Bionymph, Plantago, caffeine-free coffee, Daphne and raspberry that reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly lift and plump, helping reveal a perfect 3D recontoured look on the face. Crafted in Switzerland with the highest quality pure botanicals. Karen's top tip then. This is absolute quality, and I would use this at night after your eye serum. Apply sparingly, but oh my gosh, the look of your skin using this. If you want to layer it with a serum, do, but actually this product is so packed with great ingredients, you might prefer to keep it simple. Exfoliate with Ren, then Murad Eye Serum, and then this. Trust me, it will work a treat. Wow, so this is a 5ml moisturising cream. Worth £30. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Worth £30, but the full size, £300. Crazy, crazy, crazy. There's no way I would go out and spend £300 on a brand, on a moisturiser, but I don't mind receiving it, especially if it's good. Ooh, I only want to try a little tiny bit. I don't want to waste it. Yeah! Yay! Stopped. Hopefully that'll be it now. No more noises outside. It feels gorgeous on the skin. It just feels so silky smooth. It's not a strong scent, but oh my gosh, it feels so silky smooth. Wow. Okay. Next up, we got an under eye patch. This is by Beauty Pro. This is a retinol under eye patch, and there's one set in there. You leave it on your under eyes for 20 minutes, and then you peel it off. All the information is on the back there. Now you can buy these in a set, but one individually is worth £1.95. These award-winning Beauty Pro Retinol under eye patches will help to brighten dark circles and visibly improve the appearance of pigmentation. Karen's top tip, these can be applied under a sheet mask if you want an extra boost and are short on time. So there's those. We've got a little extra treat. This is a little added extra. This is by IsoClean, clean brushes, clean skin. So we got a cleansing liquid for makeup brushes. IsoClean's makeup brush cleaner is about to become an essential part of your skincare routine, removing germs, dust, dirt, makeup and dead skin that accumulate on your makeup tools in just 60 seconds. I have received this before, but I've never used it. It is probably in my beauty area room somewhere, but I've never ever used it. But it sounds great though, doesn't it? It's clean and dry in 60 seconds. You know, I must try and use it. So we've got a added little freebie there, an added extra. So those are all the items inside this month's Toyl subscription box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. We've got a Ren Clean Skincare AHA Tonic. We've got a Chanticleer, a moisturiser. We've got a Beauty Pro Retinol Eye Patch. And an added extra, we've got an ISO Clean, a brush cleansing liquid. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of £121.25 this month. So way above the cost of the actual box. The standout product is the Renewal Eye Serum. This alone costs £73 and yeah, it just sounds really great. I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this month's box? Are you a subscriber? Are you happy with the contents? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.